Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the today's video, I am going to introduce you about the WordPress. So what exactly the WordPress is that we are going to learn this in this complete tutorial series. I have created the complete tutorial series, and into that I have explained you how exactly you can create a website by using the WordPress. So as we all are the programmer, as we all are the PHP developer, so we are going to explore the WordPress into the developer point of view. So what do I mean to say? Key, we are going to create our own theme. We are going to convert a static website template, a static HTML CSS website template into the WordPress theme, and we are going to use the WordPress hooks. There are the two types of the hooks into the WordPress, which are the first one is the action hook and another one is filter hook. By make use of the WordPress hook, we are going to easily customize the any plugin, any of the functionality of the WordPress. So how exactly we are going to do that? So that I have explained in this complete tutorial series. So without wasting time, let me introduce you about the WordPress, what exactly the WordPress is. So as you can see that WordPress basically is a blogging software which is basically created to make the blogging kind of the website, blogging type of the website. But as every each and everything is customizable, and as the WordPress is a free to use, you can easily customize WordPress, and by make use of that you can create any type of the website by using the WordPress. So let me introduce you about the history of the WordPress. So WordPress was firstly released into the 2003 by two developers, which is the Matt Mullenweg and the Mike Little, as a blogging software. So basically, at first it was developed as a blogging software, but as a community supports it, and develop many of the developers are come into the community and share their code. So WordPress is going to be complete software into that, which you can create. By make use of that, you can create a e-commerce website. By any kind of the website you can create by make use of the WordPress. So let me talk about the key features of the WordPress. So how exactly, why exactly you can, why do you use the WordPress? So why so first one is a user friendly interface. So as you can see, WordPress has been provided a complete user friendly, that is easily readable UI, and for to manage the content of the WordPress, so that any non-technical person can also easily create their website. So then next one is a customization. What do you mean by the customization? That is, each and everything into the WordPress is a customizable. That is, you can create or you can install a lot of themes. There are the thousands of the themes and thousands of the plugins that you can install into your website and make the look and feel of the website like that, according to your need. So this is mean by the easy customization. So SEO friendly, the next one is a SEO friendly, search engine optimization friendly. That is, WordPress is basically made as made in the point of in in the point of the SEO, that is, it is the digital marketing related thing, and into that SEO friendly URLs are there. So if you create a core PHP website, you need to have customize the htxs file, but into the WordPress this thing is easily managed by WordPress itself. There is a built-in search engine optimization. So we will be going to be I will be going to tell you about this in detail into the further videos, so don't worry about that. So this is the introduction only. So next one is a responsive design. As you can see, there are the so many so many websites into the world, and most of the website and every website are the mobile friendly. It is different screens are there. So there is a laptop screen, there is a desktop screen, there is a tablet screen. So by using the CSS media query, you can make that uh, a website as a mobile friendly, but this thing is easily customizable, easily managed by WordPress itself. Okay, that is, they adapt the different screen sizes, making the website mobile friendly. So community support, as you can see, the next point is the community support. So as you can see, WordPress is a free to use. So by going to the wordpress.org website, you can easily download the WordPress and install it in your localhost. Yes, we are going to explore that thing also. We are going to install the WordPress on your local machine, and we are going to learn each and everything to the WordPress in the further tutorial series. So yeah, that's it you guys, you can see that is the community support. As it is a free to use, so many developers are come into the community and share their thoughts, share their codes, and by making use of the share their support through the forums and the tutorials. So next point is type of the website that you can build using the WordPress. So as you can see here also I have written, yes, blogs. That is, yes, WordPress basically made to create a blogging website. So you can create the blogging website by making use of the WordPress. Okay. Now another one is a business website. That is, many business use the WordPress to create their online presence. That is, suppose any shopkeeper is there, and he is having his own business, and he wanted to introduce his business to the public. So he can make use of the WordPress and make the website related to his business, and make that website public. So next one is e-commerce. So e-commerce means same shopkeeper having the his business, and he wanted to sell their product online. So by to do that we can use the one of the best popular plugin, which named as a WooCommerce, to make that blogging website as e-commerce website. We can make use of the WooCommerce with the Elementor named page builder. We will be going to learn that. We will be going to learn this everything into the further videos. So don't worry about that. I will tell you each and everything into that. So basically, by using the WordPress, you can create the e-commerce website. So next one is a portfolio website. Yes, portfolio website. It means any of the freelancer, any of the artist, any of the photographer, if he want to introduce his work to the public, introduce his work publicly, so that he can showcase his work. So let me tell you into the example. For example, suppose there is a one photographer, and he want to grow his business. So he created the website by using the WordPress, and he added some photos. He added some of their works uh, into the website to showcase to the people, to grab the customers for his business. So okay, so that's kind of the website also you can create in the by you make use of the WordPress. So next one is membership website. It is membership sites. So as you can see, you can create a membership site. That is, membership site means that roles into the there are the there are the four different type of the inbuilt roles of the user in the WordPress. So that make use of that role, you can restrict the access to the content. that is restrict the access to the blogs, access to the custom post type, etc, etc. So that kind of the website also you can create by make use of the WordPress. So basically, so now let me tell you how you can getting started with the WordPress, how you can install the WordPress, and how you can make use of that WordPress. So here I have written a one of the way to getting started with the WordPress. But we are going to install the WordPress install the WordPress locally on our machine, and going to be learn. So basically, what do you need? Key signing up for a hosting provider. So you need to have purchase a hosting domain name, and the hosting domain name for your business, and the hosting where your website files are there. So once you get that, you have to install the WordPress onto that onto that domain name. So now next one is selecting the theme. So if you are having the photographer, if you are the photographer, you can select the theme, that is you can select the one page website theme from the thousands of the themes are there into the WordPress, and you can make use of that by uh, customizing. You can customize uh, that your theme by make use of by adding the plugins. You can customizing the functionality. You can add the contact form by make use of the contact form 7, which is the one of the popular plugin into the WordPress, so that you can do that. Adding the content, yes. So whatever the content you needed, that is to showcase your photos and your skills, so you can add that into the form of the blogs, into the form of the custom post types, and on the homepage also you can add that. So adding the content, and you are good to go by just creating the WordPress. So let me tell you about another way to install the WordPress locally into the next video. So this is the one of the way that I have told you. So next, what is the regular updates and the maintenance? Yes, WordPress website, not a WordPress website, any website need the maintenance. That is maintenance in the sense the keep website updated, keep checking the website URLs, and everything is there. So I will be telling you in brief in the further videos. So don't worry about that. So to ensure the security and the performance, you have to do that. So let me conclude this video, let me conclude this video by just telling that WordPress is a basically it is a versatile and the powerful platform that empowers the user to create wide range of the website. Yes, so it's user friendly. Next one is, what is this? Then its user friendly interface, extensive customization option, and strong community support make it an excellent choice for the both beginners and experienced developers. Yes, basically WordPress is made for the both people, that is which are the beginners into the beginners into the world of the coding, and into the and which are the experience into the world of the coding. So whether you are building a blog, business website, or online store, WordPress provides the tools you need to succeed online. Yes, there are a lot of the plugins, a lot of the themes are there into the WordPress community, that you can make use of that, and make your website uh, look and feel very good, and grow your business. So that's all about the introduction to the WordPress. And into the next video, we will be going to be install the WordPress using we will be going to install the WordPress locally and make use of that WordPress. So without wasting a time. Let me meet into the next video, and let me conclude this video here. So that's it about today's video, and do subscribe to Code with Wiki. Like, share, like and share this video. Thank you so much, guys.